Yeah, plenum
Plenum.
spaces. Plenum spaces means, yeah. Can you see this figure?
Okay.
So this area is called the plenum space. The space between the drop ceiling or suspended ceiling and the architect and the structural ceiling. Okay, space between the structural ceiling
Okay.
and suspended ceiling, or under the, or you can also this call
Means
this plenum space.
space between the floor and the false ceiling, right?
Yeah, this floor structural ceiling and the dropped ceiling, suspended ceiling. So this whole area is called the plenum space.
Yeah.
Okay, plenum space will be available only if the floor is having the false ceiling. In some cases we don't have the false ceiling now. So if a
Right.
floor is not having the false ceiling, will not have the plenum space. Okay. So
Yeah.
we'll create the plenum spaces. Okay. So before creating the plenum spaces, first we'll understand the plenum levels. For that we need to create the plenum levels. Plenum levels are created for placing spaces for plenum. So you cannot place the spaces without the plenum levels. So how to make the plenum levels? We go to this tab. Okay, the first thing that we need to understand, we have 3 floors in this building. Okay, and first we have to check which floor is having the false ceiling. Okay, which floor is having the false ceiling? How to check? Take this section, put the section here, and go to the view. This is the first floor, na? Ground floor.
Yes.
This is the ground floor. This ground floor is not having any false ceiling here. This is the floor and this is the whole space. Okay, but second floor is having the false ceiling.
Okay.
Okay, understood? You can check also. Select this one. Here it is, ceiling, compound ceiling. Okay, so we don't have false ceiling in ground floor. We have false ceiling on second floor, and also we have false ceiling on third floor also.
Yeah.
Understood? Okay, so on ground floor we don't have any plenum space. Okay, so we'll create the plenum spaces on second floor, first floor and second floor. So how to create the plenum space? First we'll create the plenum levels. Okay, go to the elevation, any of the elevation. Yeah, so plenum levels are, first you can select the levels. Okay, when you select the level, go to this type selector. Okay, type selector, select this one, select here plenum. Okay,
Okay.
select plenum, and plenum selected. Specify the offset. The line here is selected. So first you must check the height of the ceiling. Okay, I will check? Go to this entry level, create a section here. Okay, go to the view. So you can check here the height of this false ceiling from this floor or this floor. Okay, go to this modify. So we have this false ceiling at a height of 20 feet, na?
Okay, 20 feet
Like
from the entry level.
20 feet.
Okay.
20
from
feet
the ground.
from
From
the
the
ground
floor.
level.
Okay,
From the ground level. So go to this elevation. Go to this architecture level. Make 20. Plan view
But
tag.
we have not created space in the first floor. No, that's not an issue. But or
No, we don't have any issue. Okay.
The plenum is separate. Okay.
Yeah, you can create them after the plenum spaces. You can create before the plenum spaces. Okay.
Okay.
So
No.
select the floor plan here. Floor plan and ceiling plan. Click OK. We have specified the height here. Click this one and pick over the mouse over this level. Click. Okay. So this is the plenum level. When you select this, it will show the plenum level. Okay. Plenum level. You can name this plenum 1. We have 2 plenum na? On
Yeah.
third floor also, second floor also is having the fall ceiling. So plenum 1. Next we'll create the plenum of this floor. Go to this section. Check the height of this ceiling from ground floor. It's 32.
Yeah.
So go to this levels, plan view types. Okay, 30. At this point. Okay. Plenum 2
Yeah.
automatically it will take the name. Plenum 2. Okay. So just to make it clear, you can also change from this like this. Okay, any doubt?
Okay, what about entry level? We don't have any plenum in there?
Actually, we don't have the false ceiling, na?
Oh,
We
yeah.
don't have false ceiling here.
Okay.
So the floors in which we have the false ceiling, in that floor will create the spaces for plenum. In this,
Okay.
in the ground floor, we don't have any false ceiling, so we don't have any plenum space, na?
Okay. Means how we can provide the air conditioning there?
Here in the entry level.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Hello.
Yeah. In the entry level.
No, entry level. Actually, the plenum space we are providing, because when we create the spaces na here in the second floor,
Yes.
this will take up to this height. Let me show you first.
Oh, okay. This is the second floor level.
Yeah. So we have a void here, na? So just to fill the void with the space, with the plenum space, we are providing the plenum space. Okay. So
Okay.
next, then we have created the plenum space. Now come to the floor plan. Yeah, plenum 1. When you come, this is the plenum 1, na?
Yeah.
You can go from here also, or you can go from here also. Select this one, right click, go to floor plan. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So one thing that I must show you to here is, you can see this the spaces, okay, but you cannot see the boundaries of these spaces. So how to visible the boundaries? When you select this, it is visible. Now when you unselect it, this is not visible. So okay, so if you want to make it permanently visible, go to the VG or VV. Here we have the option for spaces. Okay, check this one. Check interior, references, apply. Okay, now you can see the spaces. Okay, all the spaces which have been made. Now similarly,